Alright, as promised, here is the isosceles triangle method for constructing parallel lines. My big idea is that I want to make an isosceles triangle with point P as the vertex angle and then the base on the line, and then I'm going to copy that isosceles triangle somewhere else on the line. So in order to make my first isosceles triangle, I'm just going to start with my compass point on point P. Pencil just has to be past the line, nowhere specific, so that I can make two intersection points. I'm going to label those X and Y. And we don't really need the triangle, but in order to help us visualize it, that means that triangle PXY is isosceles. So now I want to copy that triangle somewhere else on the line. So I'm going to pick a new point to be, we'll call this X prime, so we write that with an apostrophe. And basically what we mean is it's a copy of point X. It's not the original point X, it's point X in a new place. And I want to copy the base XY to the other part of the line. So I'm going to set my compass to the length XY, put my compass point on X prime, and then make an arc, and that tells me where I can label Y prime. Again, that's a copy of point Y over here. Now I have the base of my isosceles triangle. I need P prime up here somewhere, so I'm going to use my compass to make sure that the other two sides of my isosceles triangle are the correct length. So I'm going to put my compass point on X and the pencil on P. So now I have the lengths of the legs of my isosceles triangle. I'm going to come to X prime with that compass setting and make an arc. And then to Y prime and make an arc. And where they intersect is the vertex angle for my second triangle. Again, we don't really need the triangle, but if we're trying to visualize, I now have a new isosceles triangle that's congruent to the first one. Because those triangles are congruent, if I've done everything very carefully, when I use my straight edge to draw a line through P and P prime, that will be parallel to my original line.